Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install minimum GNOME desktop environment in Arch Linux. So let's get started. So for this you need to have your base Arch Linux system installed with audio, Xorg and network drivers. So if you have already installed the base system, then you can skip to the later part of this video, and if you haven't, then you can just use the arch install script to install the base Arch Linux system, or you can also install manually. So for this video I'm going to quickly install the base Arch Linux system using the arch install script. So I'm going to fast forward this part. So after you have installed the base Arch Linux system, reboot your system and boot into Arch Linux with your created username and password. So to install the GNOME minimal, you need to type sudo pacman-s gnome-shell, which will install the bare minimum GNOME desktop without any utilities. So if you want minimal utilities, you can additionally type gnome-control-center, which is the settings for GNOME. Then Nautilus, which is the file manager for GNOME, and after that file-roller, which is like the WinRAR for GNOME desktop, and after that gnome-terminal for terminal, and after that Firefox for browser, and then Rhythmbox for audio player. After that type LOUPE for image viewer in GNOME, and after that type events for the document viewing, and after that type xdg-user-dirs-gtk. After that type gnome-keyring to store your Wi-Fi password and other security credentials, and then GDM for GNOME Display Manager. This process is going to take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this part. Now after installing the minimal GNOME desktop, you need to type sudo systemctl enable GDM to make GNOME Display Manager start each time on boot, and after that you can type sudo systemctl start GDM to start going into the GNOME desktop. So as you can see, we have installed the minimum GNOME desktop. Now let's open the terminal and install htop and check our RAM usage. So as you can see, we are using about 400 to 500 megabytes of RAM. So this is great for low-end systems. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.